A lot of people ask me where my ideas come from. And even if you have an idea, you might not know how to start or whether it could turn into a side hustle. That's why I believe this can be your ultimate side hustle planner. I used it. It works. Ask it anything you want to know and let it search, think, and write for you. But first, I'm Cece. This is Inside Your Hustle. Now let me show you how it works. Okay, so now I'm on researcher mode and I want to start a dog walking business in Manhattan, New York. How do I do it? How should I promote this business once it's started? I'm asking all these questions to Kimmy, and guess what Kimmy's going to do? It's going to research it for me. Kimmy is doing a deep dive and researching everything from the internet, every article, every publication, anything. It's going to ask me some other questions though. Are you looking to operate solo? Do you have a specific area in the neighborhood in Manhattan? Are you interested in offering additional services? What's your budget? So I have to put in all these answers now because it wants to get very specific. It wants to know what to look for and how to help me. And it's doing all the work for me. And my budget is $400, by the way. I'm going to get this started for 400. I'm going to get my exercise on. I get to play with some doggies and I get to walk the dogs in New York. All right, let's see. $400 budget, Manhattan Focus, a complete guide. This is the interactive report that it came with. This is a whole summary. The budget, what was allocated, the legal foundation, and the growth strategies. Look at this. Okay, now I'm a solo proprietor. Yes. Now it's telling me about my liability insurance. My application is 105, annual renewal $70, and animal care and handling costs. I need a certificate. I need liability insurance. It's giving me every detail, things that I had no idea I needed. This is the information I need. My insurance cost, my business license is going to be about $200. Basic supplies, $50 to $75, like leash, first aid kit, waist bags, all of that. Marketing between $100 and $150. They're putting this all together in my $400 budget with insurance, okay? And now they're giving me the demographics. What am I targeting? Busy professionals, affluent families near Central Park? Of course, that's where I'm going to be walking the dogs. It's giving me all this information. I have different styles of walking. The $40 walk, that's the long walk around the whole park. Then you got the $15 walk, the $25 walk. How am I going to market this on social media with the TikTok strategy, the Instagram focus, and the Facebook community? And you know, there's so many different doggy Facebook groups. So that's going to help. And places to promote at your local pet store, the veterinarians, clinics, the dog groomers, the pet supply retailer, and dog trainers. Let all these people know you're starting a business. I could give out my business cards. Printing will be about $50. And I give them out. Guess what? I just started a dog walking business. You give it out to your vet, give it out to your groomer, give it out to pet supply stores. That's how you let people know. You give it out and you let people know, here's my business card. If you know anybody that's looking for a dog walker, here I am. This is so important. They're giving you such details. And if you start hiring people, you could go to Indeed. They're saying local college job boards can help you. Veterinary technician programs, they're always looking for people to work part-time or volunteer work. They love that. Now let me tell you, I'm going to take all this information and I'm going to start promoting myself, and I'm going to take the information from Kimmy, that deep research, the interactive program, and I'm giving it to Gamma is going to take the URL from Kimmy. I'm putting it in now, the URL from Kimmy's information, and it's going to create a social media carousel for my Instagram page, okay? So it's going to be several pictures that you can click on Instagram all about my business, thanks to Kimmy. Now, Kimmy's URL is in, and I imported it into it. Now, let's see what Gamma can do with all this information from Kimmy. So we're going to take this information, all right, and we're going to create a social media carousel. I need these pictures all over Instagram for someone who started a brand new dog walking business based on the instructions provided by Kimmy, and assume the dog walking business has already been started. Make it colorful, fun, appealing to the dog owners looking for a friendly dog walking service. I'm so excited. They even gave me names for the business. Kimmy has given me names and ideas of the business in Manhattan focus. I am going to be all over Manhattan walking these dogs. Look at this. I have a carousel to promote. Just launched doggies. Look at this. Buddy Strolls. Buddy Strolls. That's my new name. Buddy Strolls, where I stroll with your dogs while your dog's tails wag in happiness. I love it. I love it. Look at the pictures. So professional. So professional. Now you take those carousels and you take those pictures and you put it on Instagram, and then you can streamline it, put it on Facebook, put it in different groups, and then make a TikTok video. Have you walking the dogs? Make a TikTok video. That's how you do it. If I had Kimmy before, I started my other business, which took me about 6 months to research to get it started. You know how much time I would have saved with Kimmy? Kimmy is going to give you every detail that you're going to be missing out on. How to get your business license, how to get insurance, where to get it from, how much it's going to cost you, different names of your business, the legal aspect of everything. Kimmy comes up with everything. It researches everywhere, and it gives you up-to-date information according to where your location is. Wherever your location is at, that's the area they're going to. I was talking about Manhattan, New York. It's giving me the laws and legal guideline for New York City. You see how Kimmy was able to research all of that? That's awesome. Okay, so now I'm on Kimmy, and make sure your researcher button is on. It's blue. See that blue button says research? What are some home-based businesses that I can start? Okay, I'm looking for another home-based business. I am a serial entrepreneur. I like to always start new businesses that can make me some money. I don't care if it makes only $500 a month, $1,000 a month, $2,000. I need these little side hustles. Okay, so now it's going to research some home-based businesses for me. Let's see. All right, what are you passionate about? Do you have any budget constraints? Are you looking for full-time income or side hustle? Do you have any equipment? I love it. Yes, meal prep and vegetarian meals. I love cooking vegetarian meals. I'll put no budget constraints. It's a little side hustle. I have a kitchen, and I have the ingredients, and I have deep freezers, and I have Tupperwares to store the food in. So I want to know how to start this business, okay? And I have so many delicious recipes. So let's see. Oh, it's doing a deep dive. It's checking out every type of business under the sun related to vegetarian meals. Look at this. It's telling me all about my liability protection. I'm going to need that LLC. Okay, wow. Once the legal groundwork is laid, you can leverage your existing kitchen ingredients and recipes. Okay, now it is actually doing a deep dive all over the web to give me the best interactive report possible. Look at this. It's creating the report for me. I'm going to get all this information. Whoa, I love it. Look at this. The legal compliance, the vegetarian focus, and immediate start. I like the little the food on the right-hand side, laying the legal and operational groundwork. That's important. Securing those permits and licenses, since I'm going to be cooking out of my house. I'm going to need obtaining food handling certifications. You absolutely. I'm going to have to look at all the different laws, labeling. Yes. Oh, health conscious people I'm going after, environmental people. I know who to target it on. Where am I getting my supplies, my ingredients? Is it going to be like a local farmer or a local business? Look at this. I love that. All my resources, my Tupperware I already have. Are they leak proof? Microwave safe. That is so important. I didn't think of that. Oh my goodness. Simple spreadsheet. Okay. Choosing a business name. I like Green Harvest, Plantful Prep, Fresh Roots Kitchen. I love that. I like Green Harvest Meals too, and Plantful Prep. Fresh Roots Kitchen. I love that. And all the designs that I can use as a logo and a photographer. Yes, and advertising on Wix. You better believe I am. And Shopify. But a photographer, I didn't think of that. I got to get my pictures taken of my meals because people eat with their eyes. And they see something healthy, they will eat it. So I need a great photographer. Thank you. And a online menu. Yes, I like that. Gluten-free. Am I going to be delivering? Is it going to be a third-party delivery or local pickup? Yes. These are all the information See, I didn't think of all of this. I just said, oh, I like to cook. I know I can make vegetarian meals and I want to sell them. But all the legal and all the other aspects, I didn't think of all of this. Look at this. Look at my whole plan right there from start to finish. This is a whole meal prep business. Ready to launch a vegetarian meal prep business? Yes, I am. I love it. Your journey starts now. You better believe it. I'm going to make a website. I'm taking all the information from Kimmy. I'm taking it over to Gamma. The URL is inside. See the Kimmy URL? I'm putting it into Gamma. Make it look like a website, a meal prep delivery service, include images, delicious vegetarian meals. Come on now. I got to entice the people because I'm making these meals. 10 images. I am going to sell this. You hear me? I want a nice green. Think of healthy like lettuce and string beans and all of that. So we got to give that right vibe, that right energy. Yes. Let's pick out all the information we need. I love it. Yes, it's going to be a website. Some stock footage. I'm taking all the information. See all the information from Kimmy right there? It's going to use it to make me a website. Look at this. This is the first step of my new business. Fresh Roots Kitchen, vegetarian meals prep delivery. Look how delicious that looks. Oh my goodness. Also, I could target people that are trying to lose weight or eat healthier. This is it. Or maybe 1 day a week or 2 days a week vegetarian meals. Then the rest of the days they can eat their protein, their meat, their steaks, and then the rest of the 2 days a week they could do this. Wow. I love it. Flexible meal plans. Didn't I just say that? I said that. It could be like 2 days a week, 4 days a week. It doesn't have to be every day. You can ease into this. A Mediterranean bowl. Look at this. And it has some testimonials. Dietary accommodations. Yes, gluten-free, allergenic free. Look at this. A meal plan. You see that gift box? That was genius. To give that out like Christmas time, you want to give it to a friend, and you can have a gift box full of meals already prepped for them. Have 1 week already prepped, and you give that box to them. What a beautiful gift. Did you see how that green box looked? Oh my goodness. And you have all these healthy, fresh meals delivered to you. A whole week of meals. What a great... You see it? The wheels are turning. Oh, I'm getting excited. Thank you, Kimmy. Did you like those 2 side hustles I came up with? Oh, that was fun today. I really enjoyed myself. I came up with some new ideas, and Kimmy helped me. I think I might actually start one of them. Okay, we'll talk about that later. But are you ready to kickstart your hustle in 2025? Use Kimmy's deep research mode to uncover profitable niches. Map out your step-by-step plan and discover the best tools to turn those insights into income. Whether you're new to the game or looking to level up, Kimmy makes it easy to go from idea to action and start building your money-making workflow today. I've included the side hustle link Kimmy generated along with the detailed report website in the description down below. Check it out. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you could turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll try hustling with Kimmy. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.